Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the respiratory system of human being. ପିଲାମାନେ ସବୁ ଜାଣିଛ ରେଚନ କହିଲେ କ'ଣ ବୁଝ ସେଇ ରେଚନ ଉପରେ ଆମେ ଆଜି ପଢ଼ିବା ଏକ୍ସକ୍ରିଏସନ୍। ଓକେ, ଆମେ କ'ଣ ହେଇଛି ଆମ ବଡ଼ିରେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ପଦାର୍ଥର ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ଖାଦ୍ୟର ଚୟାପଚୟ ଫଳରେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ପଦାର୍ଥ ମଧ୍ୟ ବାହାରିଥାଏ। ସେଇ ପଦାର୍ଥକୁ ଆମ ବଡ଼ିରୁ ନିଷ୍କାସିତ କରିବାକୁ ହେଲେ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରକ୍ରିୟାର ସହାୟତା ନେଇଥାଉ ଯାହାକୁ ଆମେ ରେଚନ କହିଥାଉ। ତ ତାହାକେ ଆମେ ଯିମା ଏକ୍ସକ୍ରିଏସନ୍। Ration. You know excretion. What is excretion? You know every day we are taking different types of food materials. Every day we are taking different food material into our body. So what if that food material is finally break down to form energy? Okay, the food material is break down to form energy. While they are break down, while the food materials are break down, at that time what if some waste material is released? Some waste material. Okay, some waste material is coming out from our body, and that waste material is released from our body by a special process called excretion. So what is excretion? जो प्रक्रिया द्वारा आम शरीर जैवखाद्य जातीय वर्ज्य वस्तु जातीय वर्ज्य वस्तु वेस्ट जो प्रकार जैवखाद्य जातीय वर्ज्य वस्तु बॉडी निष्कासित होता है ताकू एक्सक्रीशन बा रेचन कहा जाए। ओके, अब रेचन रे मुख्य भाव रे विभिन्न प्रकार खाद्य पदार्थ चयापचय करे मुख्य भाव रे प्रोटीन प्रोटीन इज ए सोर्स फूड मटेरियल. Protein is a body building food materials. It helps for the construction of our body. And that protein, when the proteins are break down, it produces what? Ammonia gas. Ammonia gas is formed by the breakdown or by the metabolism of this protein. It leads to formation of ammonia gas. अर्थात प्रोटीन खाद्य प्राय चयापचय हेबा द्वारा एमोनिया गैस निर्गत होता है और यही एमोनिया गैस परवर्ती समय रे लिवर रे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड सहित मिलित होई से यूरिया रे परिणत होता है NH2CO NH2 that is urea. So here all the proteinous food materials break down to form ammonia gas, and this ammonia gas again combined with carbon dioxide in liver, it form urea, and this urea is the main acidic product of human being. Okay, so my question is very मनुष्य रा रचना पदार्थ नाम कोन urea. This urea is the acidic waste material of human being, and this urea is the first organic compound. Okay, organic compound मुख्यतः में the compound which is obtained from the living organism is known as organic compound. So you know this urea also an organic compound. Why? Because NH2CO NH2 carbon, nitrogen, oxygen are here, so it is your organic compound. And this urea is so named. Why? Urea यूरिया मुख्यतः भाव में यूरिन सहित बाहर को जाए प्रतिदिन आम यूरिया विषाक्त पदार्थ यही मनुष्यर रेचन पदार्थ जे कि परवर्ती समय यूरिन सहित मिलित हो बाहर को निष्कासित होता है एवं सही जो पदार्थ तरल पदार्थ सृष्टि हुए ताकि यूरिन को नामकरण कराई कहीं कि सही जो वेस्ट मटेरियल बाहर है ताकि यूरिन नाम कहीं कि दिया जाए. वेरी इंपोर्टेंट मेरा क्वेश्चन है डिस्प्ले why urine is so named. urine ର ନାମକରଣ କାହିଁକି ଏମିତି ହେଇଛି क्वेश्चन ଆସିଲା ଏଟାର आंसर ଆସିବ କାହିଁକି ନା urine is so named. urine is so named only for the urea. Okay, only for this urea. The majority of the waste material in our urine is urea. Majority or maximum amount of urea is released along with that liquid Hence, it is so named urine. Clear? Only for this urea, urine name is so named. Clear? And how this urea is removed from our body? You know, our body has one pair of kidney. We have one pair of kidney that located in our just below the diaphragm. Two side, two kidney. See friends, now I am drawing this diagram. This is our one kidney. This is another kidney. Yes. This is our kidney. This is your ureter. Bladder. This is your urinary bladder. And the last one is your urethra. Sorry, urethra only. Urethral opening. So you know this kidney has two parts. Here another structure also here. Outer side is known as cortex, and inner layer is medulla. Medulla, and that is another this region. That is your pelvic ureter. That is your pelvic ureter. Okay. Pelvic ureter means there is some empty space. This region, that is your pelvic ureter. Clear? From this pelvic ureter, what happened? This ureter, this arterial, renal arteries, hence that is coming out from this pelvic ureter. And another person here, there is some depression person. That is your hilum. Hilum. There is a depression person in kidney. That is your hilum. And this over here also hilum. Clear? And another above the kidney, there is another gland. There is another special gland that is called adrenal gland. Adrenal gland. Okay. Adrenal gland is located just above the kidney, and it releases one hormone that is called adrenaline. Adrenaline hormone. Adrenaline hormone is released from which gland? Adrenal gland. आगे जानी चाहिए किडनी आगे वृक्क रे गठन जो तारे की वृक्क होची मनुष्य मुख्य रचना अंग जो तारे की दुईटी किडनी रही थाए एवं से किडनी माध्यम रे गुडे सरू भलिया गुडे पतला नली लागि थाए जा को जे मूत्र सारणी बा यूरेटर एवं एही यूरेटर बाटो दे मूत्र आमाई गुडे थली भलिया जागा होची जाको यूरिनरी ब्लैडर कहजे एवं से यूरिनरी ब्लैडर रे सब मूत्र प्राय संचित होई रही थाए जेते बेले एही यूरिनरी ब्लैडर पूर्ण होई जाए ठीक सही समय रे यूरेटर ओपनिंग दे यूरिनडा बाहर को आसी थाए एहा होची मनुष्य रो वृक्क रो गठन बुझेला अब वृक्क रो दुटी पार्श्व अछि बाहर पार्श्व को कॉर्टेक्स कहा जाए और भीतर पार्श्व को मेडुला कहा जाए ता भीतर गुटे शून्य माटे किछि जागा रहै जाको पेल्विक यूरेटर कहा जाए এবং সেই পেল্ভিক উরেটার বাইরেটো বিভিন্ন রেনাল ধমনী রেনাল শিরা सब गुड़ाई बाहरी आपण किडनी साइड रे बिछी रही चालती आउटे आसे क्वेश्चन आए किडनी किडनी विषय रे अध्ययन करबा को नेफ्रोलॉजी कहा जाय नेफ्रोलॉजी किडनी विषय अध्ययन करबा कोन कहा जाय नेफ्रोलॉजी ओके so this first urine is coming to this urinary bladder by this ureter, and that urine contains urea, uric acid, then creatine, salt, etc. These are the first material release along with urine. So I hope this is a small class. What I have given only about the structure of kidney, how kidney work in our body, and that kidney is the main skeletal organ of human body. So you know everyone. I hope everyone you have to learn this concept, and make sure everyone you have to try to do this diagram also and make some notes regarding this as Pearson or Rachel. Thank you friends. That was only. Thanks.